So whenever you're hiring contractors, the first thing that you want to do is you want to create your own scope of work to hand over to a contractor. You never want to invite a contractor over to a house and say, "Hey, just tell me how much it's going to cost to fix this house." Right? You have to be very, very specific with contractors and let them know exactly what you want. Now, if you're just starting out, you need to partner with somebody that has the experience to walk you through this process. That's how I got started. I connected myself with other investors in my market, and I piggybacked on their deals for a very long time. And then I built more relationships, I built some partnerships, and then I started raising my own private capital and then for my own deals. So in the beginning, you're not going to know what it costs to repair everything until you go through it. But the best way to find contractors is to ask for referrals. Even now, the projects that I have going on right now, I still call other people that I know that's in my sphere of influence in my city, and I ask them for referrals. And now, whenever you get that referral from that contractor, you need to ask that contractor for some references on past jobs. And if they can't give you any references for anybody that they've done work for, you might want to pass and move on to somebody else, because if they don't have raving fans of how great they performed, then they're probably going to take advantage of you at some point. And contractors will take advantage of you if you let them and when you're inexperienced. I had it happen to me. I think everybody that's in the business when they first started out has been taken advantage of by a contractor at some point. So once you do have that scope of work, you hand it to them, you let them know exactly what you want done. They're going to come back and give you a bid. And then at that point, you want to have a signed contract, a signed scope of work, and then a contractor agreement. And that basically protects you. It protects the contractor. You want to make sure they have insurance. You want to make sure that all their crew and their subcontractors are under their insurance, so there's no liability on your side. If there's a guy that's in the property and he cuts his fingers off, you want to make sure that that contractor is protecting those subcontractors with their insurance policy.